Ibotta's new user bonus only activates after your first qualifying purchase is verified inside the app, which means signing up alone doesn't trigger anything until you actually redeem at least one offer correctly. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how the new user bonus works, what you need to do step by step to unlock it, and the mistakes that cause people to miss it completely. Start with the core rule. The bonus is tied to your first valid redemption. That means Ibotta needs to see a real receipt with at least one approved offer matched to your account. Until that happens, the bonus stays locked. This is where most confusion happens. People install the app, expect instant credit, and don't realize the system only starts counting after a successful offer match. Here's how to actually claim it. First, create your account and complete the basic setup inside the app. This includes linking your preferred withdrawal method so your earnings can be processed later. Next, before shopping, you activate offers inside Ibotta. This step matters because Ibotta only tracks items you manually select. If you skip activation, the purchase won't count toward your bonus. Then you shop normally, but with one condition: every bonus-related item must match exactly what the offer specifies. That includes brand, size, and sometimes even store location. After checkout, you scan your receipt through the app. Ibotta then processes it and checks whether your activated offers match what you bought. If everything lines up, your first cashback gets approved, and your new user bonus becomes eligible to unlock. Now the key mistake. A lot of users lose the bonus by buying similar but not exact products. For example, the wrong size package or a slightly different product variant. Ibotta treats those as separate items, so the offer won't trigger. Another common issue is waiting too long to submit receipts. If the receipt isn't uploaded properly or is unclear, it can delay verification or get rejected entirely, which delays bonus activation. Once your first redemption is approved, the bonus typically appears in your account automatically or alongside your cashback balance, depending on the current promotion setup inside the app. At that point, you can continue stacking offers from future shopping trips, but the first successful claim is what unlocks the system. Summary: the new user bonus only activates after your first verified offer redemption. You must activate offers before shopping and match them exactly. Receipt accuracy is what determines whether the bonus unlocks or not. Next step: open Ibotta, activate just one simple offer, and use it on your next grocery trip to trigger your first verified redemption. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of how cashback apps actually work without confusion.